There we go. Check test. Okay, audio is working, I think. Yep. There we go. Okay. There we go. All right. All right. Okay. Check test Alex. Hello. Welcome to my first ever live stream on this channel on YouTube. Thanks so much for being here, buddy. I think you can hear me. Hope you're doing well. I'm working on some... That's fine. I'm working on some Fallout Miami. Yeah. I'm working on some Fallout Miami development work. We are making... slaves. Where are they? Oh, is that not? I did not. Okay, didn't under. Yeah, can hear. Great, thanks, man. Hope you're doing well. What is going on? All right. Putting out the promo stuff. That's enough. Put it where I wanted to. All right. So yeah, let's work on some slave system. Basically, our goal for today is to make a gun that essentially will become the detonator for heads to explode. So you'll have a detonator once you've enslaved somebody, and then once they're enslaved, you can use the detonator to blow their head off. So this is the whip detonator record I've started. It's just a 10 mil pistol, but it's a unique 10 mil pistol because it does no damage. And hopefully I can use it to act as a detonator. Nice. Okay, great. Yeah, I think I've is that Good Omens? That's that movie, right? That angel demon movie. Looks pretty good. Okay, so there's our 10 mil pistol we're going to use. That's going to become our calls it. That's going to become our detonator gun, our temporary detonator gun. So it has absolutely no damage. I don't have a custom projectile for it yet because the projectile actually shouldn't matter. But I don't have the asset yet for the detonator. That's still work in progress. So this is our temporary detonator. But what we're going to do is we're going to create the script that will blow up people's heads. So let's actually give this a name. Okay, I already did. Benita Detonator. So we have this actor over here, a slave named Benita, who at the moment just looks like the default character model. So no big deal there. But let's go ahead and put Benita into the world. And remember, the point of this is not to make it finalized and look pretty. The point of this is to make a script that just when you pull the trigger, their head just explodes. So yeah, that's the goal here. Who is this? Oh, this is empty. Okay. This will be our test cell. We'll put Benita in here. Alright, there's Benita. So she's there. And now, I don't know exactly. Hey, how's it going, Jake? Welcome. We're working on Fallout Miami. We're designing a system, we're implementing we're not designing it. The system's been designed, but we are implementing a system where that lets you, for part of the game, you can become a slaver basically, or you can own slaves at one point in the game. So we are, so we're creating that system. Hey, Loaf, welcome. Hey, Trey. Oh yeah, programming. Oh yeah, the most exciting of streams. Okay, so here's our temporary detonator. It's a 10 mil pistol that does no damage, but the idea is just to use the on fire event in order to do that. So let's go ahead and jump. Let's just you know what? Screw it. Let's just start writing code. Let's just make it. Let's just do it live. Oh yeah. I'll do that, Loaf. Definitely. Let me jump over in there. How do I do that? Stream voice. Hello, check test. All right, cool. Yeah, I don't have any. I could definitely use somebody to talk to, because if you're on the Miami dev team and you're in the chat, go ahead and jump over into the voice thing, because I don't have any music or anything because I'm not that fancy. But yeah, let's go ahead and start writing scripts, everybody. Let's do that. Hello, who's here? Loaf.
Hello.
Hey, Loaf. How are you?
Oh, now we're doing the echo effect. Let me see here. I can exit out of YouTube.
Yeah, do that.
How the hell do I mute this shit?
Just there's a bottom left. There's a little button. Yeah, come on
right.
over.
I paused your stream.
Okay, that's fine too. All right.
So what are we working on today? White collar?
We're making a gun that's just gonna it doesn't actually shoot a projectile or anything, but basically when you pull the trigger, it'll just blow someone's head off, like as if it were detonating. Yeah, as if it were just detonating the slave collar. So thanks to Systoliker, we have some ideas of how we want to do this, but first we need to get a new script going, so let's do that. I'm doing something that you can't see right now. This is exactly... Yeah, this is what we want to use.
Also, bear in mind, although this is a programming stream, anyone that has any questions in the chat just about General Miami, we are here to answer away.
We are here to answer away. All right, script name, FO Miami, that's fine. That's no, that's not what we want to use, actually. We're going to go... Miss.
I'm just smoking a cigar, chilling on my porch, so I can be more than applicable to a reply to chat questions.
Object. You're smoking a cigar. What kind of cigar?
It's labeled as Mr. B. It's a little bit of a shitmobile from some Rothstein Cigar Co. in my local college town, but
interesting.
I never smoked it at graduation, so why not smoke it now on my parents' front porch while I drink an ice-cold Peroni beer?
Yeah, I'm definitely not drinking beer. You never want to drink in program. That'd be a terrible idea.
Yeah, but I get some of my most efficient work done while intoxicated.
Let's try this. We'll call it whip. We'll call it whip detonator script. Real exciting stuff. We're just typing on a text file. I know this is the best thing ever. All right, White Collar is the author. I'm not going to put my Discord ID at the moment because yeah, privacy. What is today? Today is 6/7/2019. So let's fix this. 06.07. Last date, don't know. Editor, I'm not. Well, I guess I'm not the editor. I'm the author. All right, let's get started. We need a weapon property. No, we don't. We need an actor property. Oh, I'm not. Oh, it's a text file. God. Systoliker. Why couldn't you save it as a PSC? You suck. All right, hang on.
It's actually pronounced sister liquor. It's a German variant. It's a very interesting topic I like to bring up with him every once in a while. But it is properly pronounced in English, Scandinavian, Russian, Quebecian, and I believe Madagascarian.
There we go.
As sister liquor.
Okay, good to know. All right, so we need an actor property. Actor property. We'll call this slave actor. Make it auto, const, and no, auto const is fine. No, just do auto. No, const. Do const. That's fine. Okay, so we got our slave property there. And that will be we'll fill that with whoever we want to, whoever we want to kill. Hello, Russian name. I don't know how to pronounce your name. I'm sorry, but welcome aboard.
Let me see.
The party boat.
His name is. Oh wait, hold up. It's not gonna.
Okay. Event.
Kore. I don't even know how to fucking pronounce that. Where's Sergey when you need him? Jesus hell.
That's the shock collar. Function event on equipped. No, we want on. No. It's not the right event.
Is there some sort of ordnance trigger or something like that the Brother of Steel gives out in Fallout 4, similar to what we saw in I think it was New Vegas, where you could summon laser beams from the sky or something.
Yeah, that was the oh man, that thing was cool. That was the Poseidon weapon.
Yeah. Do we have anything of similar magnitude hosted within that Fallout 4 collection of weaponry?
Do I know of anything? I know of a mod that does that. There's an event. Why can I not?
What if you hosted it to the radium gun? I mean, that's kind of.
What if I did what?
Is it the radium gun where you have to hold the trigger down and it kind of charges it up?
That's the Gauss rifle.
Gauss rifle?
Yeah.
Can you run that type of script? Well, I don't even know enough to be talking about this.
No, we're going to where's the... Can someone help me? Apparently I'm dumb. There's a event for whenever you shoot a weapon. On animation event? No. There's a fucking... I'm reading the list of events, and here, you know what? You guys can do this with me. Everybody look for something that says, Paladin Kolovrat. I'm going to call you Paladin. Welcome, Paladin. If you see anything that looks like on weapon fire, or on fire, not on shoot, maybe. On fire, on player fire weapon. That's what. It's an actor. Interesting. Is that right? Please don't tell me this is an F4C thing. Sweet, it's not. Okay. Member of actor script. Really? Well, that's interesting. Huh. Alright, that's interesting. Okay, so it's a member of actor script. No big deal. Extends actor script. There we go.
Cigar's almost done.
That stinks. Name.
Well, the worst part about a cigar is when it's almost done, it starts burning your lips.
Actor, yeah, it gets hot. That's when I usually stop smoking cigars, when they get hot. And then it's no good to taste anyway. Is it object reference or nah? This is fine. This is fine. But I think. Hold on, let me think about this for a second. Whip detonator. I definitely spelled detonator wrong. That's cool. No, that's not.
Back in a second. I'm gonna grab another beer.
There you go. Oh god, that was loud. I have the wrong one. I have the wrong event. Let's do this again, everybody. We found on player fire, but that's not what we want. We want on weapon fire, I think. Maybe not. No. Come on. There is a thing. I just can't find it. Fire weapon would work, but the problem is that I'd have to attach it to an actor, and I was really wanting to avoid that. Player, nope. No? Why is there not a... Am I losing my mind? On unload, is that might be a F4C thing. Oh, unloaded, no, never mind, wrong thing. What the heck? Okay. Oh, that stinks. Well, that's cool. So let's attach it to an actor. I don't want to do that. Unless... Okay, new idea. New idea. We'll do this. Let's go back to the creation kit. Let's open up. Let's close this out. So now we need... Okay. Let's go back. Let's find our quest. Oh my god, Loaf. Shh.
Sorry.
Scared me.
I tend to have that effect on people. Let's see what they're talking about here.
Slave Master Quest is what we'll call it. Scripts, let's not do that right now. Actually, let's do that right now. New script. Okay. Name. That's fine. That's okay. Oh my god. Name. Name. I don't know. Whip. No. Master script. Why not? Namespace. No. Ignore that. Extends quest. Yeah. No. Extends. Yes. No, actually, yes. Okay. That's fine. Oh, I didn't give it a namespace. That's okay. Let's do this. Let's right click, edit source. Now what we're going to do is take this, go Control A, C. I'm going to put it. We'll do this later. Okay. So we know now that what we. No, actually, let's do this. Extends quest. Or we want. Shit. Hold on. Take this. No, extends quest. There we go. File. Save. Control. Oh, what did I just do? Shit.
I can't see the screen, so I have no idea what you just did.
I saved over the template.
Ugh.
No.
Something you can pull from the Git?
No, it's not that big a deal. Does anybody know how to, is it? Yeah. Okay. There we go. Alright. That's fine. Whatever. I'll just go. Hang on. Save as. That's fine. Slave master script. Whatever. I don't care. Okay. Damn it. .psc. There we go. Okay. Whew. The struggle, guys. I am sorry. All right, so there's our script, and now what we want to do is take this little bit right here, Control C. We're going to put that right there, and we want to call this actually master script right here. Misc master script. Bing bang bong. File. Save. What is there? Master script. That's file name does not match. Misc. Oh, you are kidding me. Let's do. I gotta. Hold on. No. Yes. Remove. I'll worry about this later. But basically, we know that this is going to be a quest script. That's all that matters. Call it. There we go. That's what we want to know. That's fine. Okay, so blah, 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 blah. Event. Now we need another property. We need a weapon property. Weapon property. We'll call it Benita. Oh, Jesus. Benita detonator. Auto const. That's good. Okay. Everybody good? All right. Okay. A riveting stream, I know, everybody.
Oh, no. I mean, everyone is just kind of basking in the moment right now. Don't let the quietness of the chat or my rapid rocking of a chair in the background disturb your intricate workflow.
Yeah, thank you. All right, so we have these.
Basking in the genius.
Yeah, sure. All right, so we have those two things. That's basically what we need. And now what we can do is let's get a proper... No, we'll do this. Event
Son of a bitch. Freaking mosquito on my arm.
Event. Is it on quest stage? It's on quest. What? You're killing me. Hold on a second. Gotta look up a reference.
That's another thing. I wonder if I can play any music. Oh shit! Did I receive a fucking?
Ignore that. You can't see that.
Oh no.
Yeah, it's on stage set event.
Just recently just cut you off. Oh, what the hell happened?
What is going on? Event on stage. What are you doing?
You sound so far away now. What the hell?
Sorry, I'm sorry. Event on stage set. Yeah, let's go. Int stage ID. Int.
That's so weird. Now I can't even hear you at all.
Item ID. Loaf.
Oh, there we go. I don't know, man. Maybe it's because my phone's on low battery or something.
Yeah, probably because you're trying to watch this thing outside, or do voice chat outside.
No, I actually have pretty good Wi-Fi connection at my parents' place.
Oh, there you go. That works. I don't know why this is saying it's. Oh, I didn't do this. End event, probably. That's fine. That's what we want to do. Can you work right, please? Thank you. Okay. My God, is that so hard? All right. So we have our event set up, and I don't really care right now. But before I forget, let's do this. Let's be sure we actually have a stage. Debug start. Let's say. Let's see. This is start game enabled. It should, if it's start game enabled, it should. I don't know. Let's put. Do I have a scene set up yet? Yeah, I do. Slave. Start. Okay, so I haven't. All right. Okay. This greeting does that, but I'm going to actually just delete this right now. Don't need that. Let's make it do this. Set parent quest stage to 10. That just guarantees that. See, but that doesn't. Okay. We have a problem. This isn't gonna work. I need to attach a script to. Okay, let's. All right, hold on. No, do nothing. Get stage. There. Get stage. It'll only run if the stage is on stage 10. That's what we want. Okay. Okay. Yeah, it's fine. Let's think about this. So we need there's a. I know there's an. Event for weapon firing. On. See, we're doing some research here at the moment, everybody.
Just gonna do a little bit of research.
Ah. Beautiful.
Successfully updated configuration. True.
Okay. All right. No, I know what we want to do. All right. So what we're going to do is this. We're going to, for temporary debug purposes. Actually, no. If it just, that should be fine. if it's start game enabled and the quest stage sets, it should be on stage 0. Yeah, it should set the stage 0 and my script should run. That should be fine. That'll be okay. Add. I need to look. Can I look? Is there anything? How do I know what I need to do. I'll do this later. But let's write this thing first. Okay. So what'll happen is the stage will get set. It'll run this. Now we need to do this. We are going to do register for animation event, and we're registering it for game.getPlayer, and we're registering for the weapon fire event. Okay, done. That's what we wanted to do. Now once that is registered, that's basically all we want to do now. And to know that this is that's fine, we'll just leave it as is. Should be okay. Maybe. I don't know, actually. Well, just to be sure, we'll do this. Debug.messagebox. Registered. Should do a trace, but you're not here to learn good coding techniques. You're here to watch somebody's head get blown off. Didn't do it right. There we go.
You're not here to watch visual scripting. You're here to watch the real gore of Miami.
Exactly. You're here to.
No, that's not. No, you're not doing visual scripting. I'll shut up. That's the only type of scripting I've ever done.
What is?
Visual scripting. I did module-based scripting with
Visual Basic
architecture once.
When was this?
Huh? I did it. Oh shit! Well, hell, it would have been a month and a half ago. My final senior project, I scripted my entire building in a plugin for 3D modeling software called Grasshopper, and I'm pretty sure it uses Python as a base. And although it's not, typing loads of text, I'm a very visual thinker, so it was a matter of plugging in modules and seeing how they adapt each other, putting number sliders where they needed to be, true and false toggle data, random Boolean point generation. It was a lot of fun stuff. I wish the CK had something that could operate on that magnitude. Also, but it is, I give massive appreciation for scripting because it's a lot of, it's a different way of thinking,
Yeah, it is. Definitely is.
I've talked with you guys about, doing level design in the past, but, you guys just have an entirely different way of thinking through how this stuff works.
And event, make sure I spell right, as I hate fucking misspelling things, equals, weapon, fire, that's what we want. Oh, nope, weapon, fire, there we go. That will be our condition block. And that's not how you spell indif. That's how you spell indif. Nope. Leave it as that. Thank you. Okay. Now then. So, the player... Ooh. That's if they fire a gun. Hold on. We want to know... That tells us that the player fired a weapon... And that tells us what the event was. But what we want to know is which gun they fired. Okay. We need to figure out...
Oh, wait. I just remembered. We're going to have to set up some sort of custom gun animation for the TV remote.
That too. Whoever's doing it, yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, that'll be 3ds Max. He kicks ass
not
with
my
that
problem.
shit.
Yeah. Not my problem.
Yeah, way above my pay grade.
Exactly. We need to know. What we need to know is on animation event what parameters it has. Well, the problem is that it doesn't tell us. It doesn't tell us which. It tells us that the player fired a weapon. Great. Which weapon?
Would it just set to the default weaponry?
No. So like, say the player fires some other gun, right? but we don't know. Oh no! You know what we can do? I know what we can do.
Adam Pender asks,
So what are you going to do? An unequipped thing?
No, I'm doing
I'm getting a phone call.
Okay, bye. No, what I'm going to do is what's happening here is basically just as soon as the quest for this, as soon as this quest loads, it will call this on-stage set, which will register for the animation event for the player firing a weapon. The on-animation event will trigger whenever the player shoots a weapon. So this first if statement here tells us that, yes, it was the player that fired a weapon, and yes, this was the animation event that happened. It was weapon fire. That was the name of the animation event that triggered. Now what we need to do is determine if when this event fires, if the weapon they have equipped is our detonator, then blow the lady's head off. That's what we want to have happen. So that's what we're gonna do. And I think I got another sample script here. Not this one. It's get. It tells you which dot get equipped. Yeah, so it's okay. So if game dot get player dot get equipped weapon in, I think it was, let's assume it's a one-handed weapon, so that'd be that one. I don't remember which is which. Well, either way, we'll build it as a compound condition. So if game.getPlayer.getEquipped weapon equals our weapon property, which is Benita Detonator, or game.getPlayer.getEquipped weapon 1. These are the two hands the player has, and I don't know which is which. Game.getPlayer.getEquipped weapon 1 equals Benita Detonator. That compound condition, end if yes, go up in. Okay, so now player fired Benita's detonator. That's what's happening. So to recap for everybody, for you fine folks at home, all four of you. Okay, so yeah, so if the player did fire a weapon, and if that weapon that they fired in either one of their two hands, as signified here, in either one of their two hands is the Benita detonator, we know that they triggered Benita's detonator, and we need to pop Benita's head off. So let's really quickly though. Detonator triggered. And we'll actually make it a message box because notifications are in so you shouldn't do this. You should do debug.trace, but I'm not going to because I'm lazy. But like I said, you're not here to learn good practices. You're here to watch people's heads get blown off. Okay, so basically this my stream may have I may need to add more onto this. Originally, my whole plan was just to create a gun that explodes heads, but we may need to extend the goal of this stream because we may already almost be done with that. But first, let's just get this script attached to our quest, and we'll go from there. So to attach a script to a quest, you first need to go to where is it? Script gameplay, Papyrus Script Manager. And, actually, first things first. Fallout 4. So here's my... Nope, actually I can't show that to you. So I'm sorry, guys. I'm fortunate enough to be able to work on a lot of really cool projects, mod projects coming to Fallout 4. Some of them are actually not being talked about yet. So I kind of have to restrict what I can show you, so I can't really show you all my files. But basically what you want to do is once you have your script written, as we do, we have our script and we want to attach it to our quest now because it's designed to run off of the quest. You want to copy it wherever you saved it to, and you want to go to your you want to go to your data folder, and you want to go to data, scripts, source, user. What is my namespace? Data, script, source, user. I also think, I'm pretty sure you can do this, but I'll just do it like this. Data, script, source, user, FO Miami MISC, and that's it. So I need to make a new folder right here called FO Miami. Okay, and then we're going to go in here, and now I can show you. So, okay, so we're in this new folder, and according to our namespace, we need to make a new folder, call it MISC. I don't know why I did that. I could have just, this is way over the top of what I wanted to do. Slave masterscript.psc, so that's what we want to do. Anyway, so our script is there, and now we need to go to gameplay, compile. No, oh man, that's the wrong button. Why did I do that? I regret doing that immediately. It is now compiling every single script because I was an idiot and I took every single script in the game out to its source. So like I decompiled every single script out to its source so that I could easily reference any of the scripts in the game if I needed to like draw from whatever some script did. And now it is recompiling every single script in the game. Ooh, is it done? Awesome. So the fact that it didn't throw an error kind of makes me think that that script actually compiled just fine. Oh, no it didn't. What happened? Something happen? What happened? What happened? What's wrong? What'd you do? What happened? I don't know what's going on. Okay, whatever. Okay, scripts, add. Let's look for our thing. What did we call it? What did I call that? Slave master script, I think? Slave, no. Where the hell is it? New script. I totally forgot how I did this. No. How did I do this? Real professional. What are you doing? Stop that. Stop it. Oh, here we go. Ooh, there we go. That's what I was looking for. What do we call that? Does anybody remember? Slave something or other? Right. Slave. See, I didn't. Okay. All right. I know the problem. Settings. Nope, not what I wanted. Settings. Pirate Script Manager. Can I not just? Can I please just make a new script? That's all I want. That's all I want in this world. Whatever. Object window. Go do it like this. What was it called? Does anybody remember? Slave master script, whatever it was. Slave master script.psc. Okay. New script. Slave master script. So it's going to be called namespace FO Miami colon, what was it? FO Miami colon MISC. That's where it's going. Colon MISC. Extends quest. Okay. Script already exists. Oh my god. You poop. We'll call it master script. We'll call it slave system master script. There we go. No big deal. Okay, close that out. Right click, edit source. Awesome, beautiful, lovely. I'm going to do this. No, I'm going to do right here to here. Highlight all that. Control C. Go back over here. Beat warp. Control V. Bing, bang, boom. Done. Go back over here. No, go back over here. Grab this because I maintain 2 different versions of these files. One for the creation kit and then one for my own easy-to-use finding, which is not a good idea, but it's easy to do. So what I do is I write all of my scripts in Notepad++ with the Papyrus plugin, and then I compile them in the creation kit. And so that's how that works. File, save. Why'd you fail? Missing parenthesis. Yeah, I'm sure I want to save it. What line? Line 19, missing parenthesis. There's no missing parenthesis. Wait a minute. Hold on. Control A, C, Control A, C, Control A, V. Okay, line 19. Oh, yep, definitely, totally missed a parenthesis right there. Wow, that's on me. All right, let's try this again. AV, file, save. Woohoo, we successfully compiled a script, everybody. All right, so the script compiling is half the battle. We need to fill in our properties. Bonita detonator. Edit value. We're going to pick our object. It should be labeled FOM _ whip detonator. That's the Bonita detonator's whip detonator right now because it's whip. Like all this. Also, I'm guessing most of you here are devs on Fallout Miami, but on the off chance you're here as a fan of Fallout Miami or as a fan of mine, this is all very work in progress. So definitely don't judge anything here. Don't judge the rest of Miami by as this is going to be the final. This is all very much so work in progress. Extremely work in progress. So yeah, so now what we want to do is edit this so that our, oh no, that's fine. Actually, I don't need to do that. It could be any, no. I should have made it we'll fix that later. That's not a big deal. Well, for right now, we'll just pick, we don't do anything with it. So for right now, we're going to pick Abbott because why not? Doesn't do anything. Nothing happens with that, so that's okay. I do need to fix that. I need to make that a reference alias. Yes, reference alias property, and then that points to Anyway, moving on. So all right, let's go in the game and figure this shit out. All right, let's fire up Steam. Oh, I don't want you guys to see Steam if it opens up on the off chance. No, go out of here. Get out of here. No. Privacy. All my privacy. Okay. We're about to test it out. You guys, your hard work your patience has almost paid off. Ignore all of this. Nexus client, fire that up. Fallout 4, let's load that up. Wow. Okay, close that out. Get out of here. And we want to load our plugin, slave system. Don't load that. And launch Fallout 4. Play. All right, we're almost there, everybody. You guys have stuck with it. Time to see the fruits of your labors. You two other people. Trey, is one of you Trey? Are you still here? Well, I don't know who's here, but you guys, your efforts has almost paid off. All right, so there's our actor. We don't do anything with her yet, but she's there. Yeah, she's just gonna do nothing. All right, Bonita. So now what we need to do is, you know what? Let's do this. SQV. What did I call this? What is this called? FOM slave master quest. SQV FOM slave master quest. Okay. Don't know if that means it registered for the event or not. It's possible that it didn't, which could be a problem. But anyway, on the off chance it did, let's go help. What is the name of that gun? Help FOM underscore whip detonator 4. It did not find it. Or I think it goes by name. Help Bonita detonator 4. What the hell? You know what? I'm just gonna... No, actually, we can do this. We can do this. FOM underscore whip detonator. That's what it's called. FOM underscore... Oh, you know what? Let's go help Benita 4. There it is. Player dot add item 07001763 1 player dot add item 1F27620. I just happen to know that's the code for 10mm rounds. Okay, not that we need it, but I do need the event to fire. So we have our pistol. It does no damage. It doesn't even, as you can see, it doesn't even make a dent where it shoots. Like it won't even, yeah, doesn't do anything. But our code, something's wrong because, as you can tell, our whatchamacallit, we didn't get our pop-up whenever we shoot the guns. That's the issue. So that's a problem. So we need to fix that, and I think I know what the issue is. I think it's because the quest stage doesn't actually set, like it's just already set, and so it doesn't trigger that event firing. So what we're going to do is this. Yeah. We're going to get rid of this condition right now. We're going to, at the end of this, we're going to set parent quest stage to 10, and we're going to hit OK. And so this guy will say his line. That's fine. Requires player activation. That's okay. Save. Now I need to put the slave master in the cell. So the slave master we'll put right there. Boop. All right. So now what should happen is, let's double check our code. What should happen is when the stage gets set, this event should trigger. Yeah, this event should trigger, which will register for our animation event. It'll tell us that we've done that, and then all that should be good. That's what should happen. The question is, will that happen? That's what we want to know. All right, but let's go find out. Only one way to know for sure, right? This is what it works, huh? Hello. Oh, bestie. Man, how are you? Been a long time. We're making a slave detonator, bestie. I know. Riveting stuff. It's kind of exciting. The end goal is to have a thing that just pops people's heads off. Well, slaves specifically, not just anybody, obviously. That'd be a terrible detonator. Warehouse clutter. I know you're not Trey, but hi, Adam. There's another Trey. Okay, so as you can see, we didn't get our pop-up, but we can get our gun. 7001763 player.add item 1F27620. Okay, so we have our gun now, and it doesn't do anything because let's pretend that she isn't enslaved yet. This is Benita. She's not enslaved yet, so let's pretend. All right, so it doesn't do anything, right? But now, after we talk to the slave master and he sells her and she gets enslaved...
Hey.
Say your line. You're lucky this gun doesn't shoot bullets, let me tell you what. Okay, hold on. I know I didn't create a quest alias. That'd be an issue. No, I did create a quest alias, didn't I? Otherwise that scene wouldn't exist. What am I fucking talking about? Of course this wouldn't go perfectly. I thought we had pretty much had it nailed down. It was pretty straightforward. Don't know why. Slave master alias. Unique actor. That's right. Forced, not export, forced. Reserves reference. Scenes. Found slave master alias. Greeting. Want to buy a slave? Gives ID. Found slave master. Should be fine. Let's actually not do that right now. Should be fine. I don't know. Why are you being so obstinate? Is it possible that I prevented dialogue? It's possible that I excluded dialogue not in voice type. Maybe. I doubt it, though. No? Doesn't request for one, but that's okay. Doesn't need one. Don't run once. Okay. Should be fine. Oh, I do need to do this, though. Allow repeated stages. Okay, should be fine. You have your alias. No, forced. Voice type. You should have a voice type. Slave master VT. There we go. There we go. That's probably it. Okay. Assuming I gave you that voice type, let's double check that. Traits. Yep, found slave master VT. You have the voice type. That is the good news. Alright. You should work. And it bothers me that you don't. But whatever. Alright, let's try it again. I'm just gonna do this. COC. Okay. You cannot has the mod now, Kayville. I'm sorry. I know. Yes, bestie, slaves. And good. Glad to hear you're doing well. Alright. Say your line. Oh, you're a butt. Say your line. Say it. Say it. Okay. Why are you gonna be like that, man? Alright, hold on. SQV. Slave master quest. Why? See, why is it none? It shouldn't be none. What is going on? Let's do this. I'm just gonna nuke this. Not nuke it literally, but nuke figuratively. Quest, save master. Let's get rid of all these. Screw it. Delete all these aliases. Yes, that's fine. Scenes. Great, let's delete the scene. I don't care. What? Quest. Yeah, wish to continue. Save. We're reloading the creation kit because it's being a butt. I wish, bestie. Not quite how it works. He's being a goof. I don't know why he's being a goof, but he's being a goof. Let me double check my template script. Not that one. Not that one. Yeah, this one. Sorry, you guys can't see the script because it's super secretive. Yeah. All looks good. Yeah. Okay. All right. That's fine. Okay. Should all be good. Okay. All right. Hey, thanks. I'm really looking forward to it. I think it's actually going to be really great. But why this doesn't want to work, I don't know. Although, that might not be the right. Hold on. Is it on quest stage set or on? No, it's just on stage set, isn't it? Yeah, on stage set. That's fine. Cool. That should work, but the problem is obviously that the dialogue isn't triggering, which could just be a bug. There's really no way of telling. But we have our scene here, so we'll call it slave master greeting. Yeah, that's fine. It's not in use, but that's cool. You're just dumb. Fom master scene. Why not? Okay. Player dialogue. Nope. Let's actually first let's hit OK. Then we'll open back up. Go back to quest aliases. Right click. New reference. Going to make it a unique actor. We're going to first name it. We're going to go Fom master alias. And we're going to unique actor Fom slave master. Perfect. That's all we need. Scenes. Right click. New actor. Fom master alias. Start greeting. Response text. He's going to say, "Wanna buy a slave," or something like that. Blah blah blah. Don't care. Really does not matter. He is going to require player activation. He is going to set a parent quest stage to 10. And that's exactly what's going to happen. Oh, well, we do need a condition. New. Get his ID. Fom slave master. Okay. Alright. Can't move while greeting. No big deal. Doesn't necessarily have a lib file. That's okay. Alright, we'll leave it there for now. And, yeah. Okay. Oh, shit. What is... I want to delete one of these topics, but I don't know which it is. That's okay, though. Whatever. That's fine. He should just say his greeting. Duh. Begin on quest start. So that way your scene is going, or at least it should be, I think. I'm pretty sure that's right. I'm pretty sure that's what you want to do. That's fine. That's fine. Alright. Should all be good. Alright, let's try it again. Yeah, if you guys have any questions about Fallen Mammy, I am happy to answer them to the best of my ability, or anything. Got some really cool stuff in the works. So yeah, I'm really excited to be working on the project. Been doing my best to help out with them, and I've actually really enjoyed being part of the team. It's a great team. All right, so let's hope this works.
Hey.
All right, great. All right, registered. Wonderful. That's what's supposed to happen. All right, now, that's exactly what we wanted. So now we want our detonator. Player.add item. Says 070017631. Player dot add item player dot add item 1 F27620. Okay. All right. Here's our detonator. If this works, everybody hold your breath. All right. We'll let out a collective sigh together. But what should happen is when I fire this gun, we should get a pop-up. You ready? Oh, guys. We did it. All right. Okay. We did it. Balin. You sneaky bugger. You guys are in here watching me like, how competent is he? Okay. All right. Oh, man. Look, this guy. Oh, man. All right. Well, now let's actually make it useful. All right. Let's make it reference alias property. That's fine. Slave actor. Cool. Okay. And thank you, Sister Liquor, as Loaf likes to call you, but Sister Liquor, thank you so much for your example script. Let's see what we've got for you here. All right. So this is actually no, yeah, I don't think he cares. It's public. All right. So we don't want to place all the explosions. We don't need all that. What we need is dismember. Ooh. Not where. Well, that's fine. But I think if okay. What is his plan here? I don't know what his. This is for a different mod. I'm not exactly sure what this is supposed to do. It looks like he calls function blow up. Okay, no big deal. But why does he have if? Okay, if where. Oh, I see what he's doing. Oh, that's all right. Where it up? Oh, he's saying don't do this if it's essential. No big deal. Place at me. P. Yeah, so he just places an explosion, no big deal. And then he kills them, and then he dismembers their head. But I think, did he create Dismember, or is that? No. Dismember is part of something, I guess. All we want to do, let's try just dismembering the head and see what what function is this? I don't think I've seen that function before. Not a big deal, but. We want to take this over here. We want to go to slave actor dot get actor base dot whatever this is dot dismember. Let's double check this real quick. Sister Liker, I love you. I'm just going to double check your work. Wow, I have so many tabs open. Okay. Fallout 4 creation kit. Dismember. Is this a real function? It is a real function. Part of actor script. Look at you, Sister Liker. I don't know why I'm doubting you. Just figured I'd double check. I do want to know what these parameters do. Okay, body part. So we got the body part in there. Force explode, true, definitely want to explode it. Force dismember, not necessarily. Force bloody menace, also false, we don't want that. Okay, cool, so that should actually do exactly what we want. It should also kill them, but on the really off chance it doesn't, on the very off chance it doesn't, let's call .kill anyway. It should. I would be shocked if it didn't. But it could be a very weird scenario. Actually, it may not. Let's just we'll play it safe and do that. Unless maybe let's actually do this first, just in case. Actually, no, whatever. That's fine. Okay, so we got this. Let's compile it. These guys are. I love it. I love that you guys were just chilling there and just being like, "Is he gonna do it? Is he gonna do it?" We don't know. Oh, what'd I do this time? Oh, whoops. Wait, what? Get out your base. Don't you tell me that. Don't you lie to me. Don't you fucking lie to me. Oh, I gotta pull up my reference again. That's okay. So if you have a reference alias property, where is it? Yeah, reference alias property, it's .get out your base. No, get out your reference. Oops, that's a oops. See, get out your base is a script extender thing. I will take the full blame for that. That's all right. But then we need to do the same thing here. Take this, beep, boop, boop. Yeah. Beep, boop, boop. There we go. All right, that'll work. There we go. All right, compiled. Let's double check our properties. We're going to need Bonita detonator, follow up detonator, that's fine. Pick quest, slave master. Oh, I didn't make an alias for Bonita yet, so let's do it. New reference alias. Come on. Unique actor, slave, what do I call her? Slave Bonita. Slave Bonita. There she is. Bing, bang, boom. And that should, oh wait. Bonita, no, we'll call her slave. Bonita, no, Fom, slave, Bonita, alias. There we go. Done and done. Calling it good. Let's save that. Go back in here. Properties. Detonator. All right, and this should. We should now witness the death of Bonita with this fake detonator we've created. Let me see real quick if it's easy to take off I actually haven't messed too much with weapon sounds. Let me see if it's an easy thing real quick to just take I don't want an explosion from the gun. I don't know if that's hard or not. Oh, art and sound. I'm an idiot. Impact set, don't care. Block bash, don't care. Don't care. Attack sound, don't care. Select sound. Attack fail, don't care. That's fine, that's fine. Pick up, put down. There's no... See, the problem is that there's no... Can I not... What is attack sound? Can it be silence? I don't know. Is there a silence anywhere? Does anybody in the chat, any of the Miami guys, do any of you guys know, anybody here? Other colors should add a condition of you need to be wearing a shot color. Yeah. Yeah, that's not a big deal. Well, actually, I will do that. The problem is that I actually don't have the shot collar yet because I don't have the... Yeah. Don't worry, that's coming later. But the problem is that I'm not parented to, since we're not parenting to the Nuka World Master. I don't what's the word? I don't have access to like the record for the shot collar right now. But I can, I'll make a custom one and do that when I move the assets over for it or whatever. However that process is, I got to double check on that. That process is not something I totally understand. I think it's just create a custom record, point to the same asset. Yeah, I can figure it out. No big deal. I just haven't done that yet. So I'm based on the real application of 90 days. We're someone not at all. Ban on the market should add a condition. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, bestie, it'll be good. Attack sound 2D. Does anybody know if there's just a... I'm just going to make a sound record real quick that's just silence. Is that possible? Let's hope it is. Miscellaneous. Where are sounds? I think I've made a silent. It was a blank sound file, though. That's the shitty thing. Screw it. I don't care enough. Let's see if there's anything like star silent, maybe. None of this is silent. Silent. I don't know. Oh, wait. Manually trained vocal I don't know. Probably not good. Whatever. Let's see what happens. Oh, it may be in the projectile, actually. None. Can I do none? Pick none. There we go. It may be in the projectile. That may be the thing. Oh well, I don't care too much. Well, let's just go see if her head pops off. I'm ready. You guys ready? I'm ready. Dun, 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 dun. What time is it? How long have I been doing this? Not that long, I feel like. Oh, yeah. Yeah, like, what, 45 minutes maybe? Maybe less? Maybe a little over? I don't know. I can't do math. I swear, whenever I'm streaming, and this is rare, but whenever I'm streaming stuff, I always feel like my nervousness makes it so that I just forget basic things to do, like in modding. Like, I have no idea why that scene didn't work earlier. I don't know what I did, but it, I don't know. 1763 player.add item 1F27620. Oh, thank you. So yeah, a little over an hour. Awesome. All right, so we have her detonator here, but like exactly as we want, when I click it, still that's the same. But when we click it, doesn't do anything, which is exactly what we want. Because like, pretend that we hadn't purchased her yet, or pretend that, I don't know, pretend that she didn't have her collar on or something. We want it so that there's a time when even firing the detonator doesn't do anything. It's like pressing the detonator, but yeah, nothing's happened. But now we'll get it going. Want to buy a slave. And pretend I said yes, and we purchased Benita, and he handed us this detonator, and now really hate Benita. So... Sister Liker, thank you. Oh, you gotta love it, right? Like Balin, did you watch that? Is that what you wanted? Is that what you were envisioning when you blow someone's head off, or did you want like a full-blown explosion? Because I can make that happen. Just need you to... Are you there, Balin? Yeah, it does work. Works like a charm. I wonder what happens if I do it again, because I didn't unregister for it. So let's see what happens if I do it again. No, yeah, it doesn't. Okay. She doesn't continuously explode. Yeah, that's what you're thinking. Wait, do you... Yes to what, Balin? Is that perfect? Is that what you want, or do you want like an actual explosion? Because I can place like a frag explosion, so that there's like a literal explosion, or do you want her head just to pop off? Take your pick. Should we try it the other way just for funsies? Can we please try it the other way just for funsies? Let's do it. Let's place that explosion, see what happens. Yeah, mini nuke explosion. That the collar is just a mini nuclear bomb. Oh man, that's great. Let's use this. Try the... Yeah, let's see what happens. All right, let's do it. What should happen first? Let's do the explosion, then she dies. So we need this part. Oop. All right. Throw that into the creation kit. Where's the thing? Okay. This is gonna be so fun. I'm already laughing to myself. No, I don't want that. What? How? Oh. Right. That's my bad. I thought it was a string. Did you not put... Sister Liker, where are your properties? You put your properties at the bottom? You animal. Who puts their properties at the... I know that's in the rules or whatever, but who does that? I'll do it, but that's not normal. Alright. I'm shamelessly copy and pasting your work, Sister Liker. I know that's the exact reason you sent it to me. I just wanted you to know that that's what's happening. Yeah, I'm sure. Alright. Cool. Let's fill out that property. Explosion. It should autofill. It does not want to autofill. Frag. Actually, we can just pick the explosion, guys. What explosion should we use? The frag explosion, right? Y'all take a vote. Someone, the first person who responds what explosion we should use is what I'm putting. Frag explosion? I guess I should probably go with what Balin wants. Frag explosion. Flare explosion. Flare explosion. Her head. Frag grenade frag grenade child. No, frag grenade. See. Oh my god, no. I'm sorry, but no. Let's try that. We'll try that. We'll be serious, and then maybe we'll be goofy. Let's be serious first, then we'll be goofy. Who's PMing me? Oh, thank you. Thank you, Balin. Yeah, I will definitely look into that in a minute. Yeah, there was in the very beginning to Fallout 4, yeah, there was a pre-war. I don't know if that's even an option from like that menu. I don't think that's how it works. But we'll see. We'll go. Well, let's be serious, then we'll do it. Oh man, what I can do, Balin, before I like do all the assets, because I don't want to like, because I don't know, we're not redoing the asset for that. I don't think we are, but we're not redoing the asset for whatchamacallit, for the fucking slave collar, I don't think. But what I can do is I can just set up a record and then use that, then point the asset to it later. No big deal. Let's go. See, I just fucking hell. Help Bonita 4. I kind of want to find out if I need ammo for this gun. 7001 763. See, the good thing about this, Balin, well, never mind. I'll save it for a more finalized version of it. But basically, I'm pretty sure what this means is that I was originally thinking I would need multiple detonators, like one per collar, but I actually don't. That'd be a terrible way to do it too. Missing required ammo. Okay, so that doesn't. Ooh, let's find out let's see how this works. What was I gonna do? Yeah, let's see if this works. No. All right. It doesn't. So the failed ammo thing means that... Okay, no big deal. That's not a big deal. We can just add ammo, like add one round of explosion ammo that just never gets used. That's how they do it in like literally everything for detonators. So you can get that on fire animation event. But as you just saw, if you don't have ammo, that... yeah, there's not really a need for that cooler. Not really important. Okay. All right. So if this works, her head should explode like a frag grenade. Please tell me, Balin, you saw that. I don't think that's what you want. Keep it. Okay. Oh, that's so amazing. Did it go from her feet? Oh, wait. What happens if I do it again? Oh my god. Note to self. Condition to make sure that the actor is actually alive. In order before the explosion can... Oh, that's amazing. Oh, yeah. You think? No, actually, it's not that big a deal. It's not that big a deal. It just... since I never unregistered for the event. Like, if I unregistered for a remote event, right? Like, if I had a line right here, just unregister for a remote event. Not a big deal. Yeah, the problem with that is the place at me with that is, but Balin, just for the record, that explosion that I used, it can damage you. Is that what you want? That you can be damaged by that own explosion? I'm guessing you do. Yeah, the problem with the place at me is that it... Let's see if there's a way... Let's see if I can define parameters for place at me. I have no idea. Let's find out. Because if I can, what I'll do is I'll just add like a... I think it's a Y. I'll just add a Y-axis to it. I need to get going soon. Fallout 4 creation kit place at me. Object reference. Here, you guys can look with me. Okay, that's fine. Cool. I'll keep it. But yeah, don't worry about the being able to continuously do it. Honestly, it's kind of funny that it happened like that. But anyway. Oh, nice. Wait. How many references? Don't want to do that. Be delete when able. Oh, I want to be able to like... I want to be able to like add an offset to it so that like it goes to her height or her head height or whatever for the explosion. Let's do that again. Let me add a thing real quick to this. Should I unregister or should I don't know. I don't know what to do. I guess I'll just... Can I I need to know how to unregister from a thing. Let's do that too. Fallout 4 unregister or Fallout 4 creation kit unregister for animation events. Because I know when you... Yeah, how do you unregister? Register. I want to unregister. There it is. That's all you do. Okay, so it's just unregistered. That's easy. Alright. No big problem. We'll just do that. Let's get here. Beep boop. Beep boop. Alright. No harm, no foul. So now it only happened once. Alright. Double check our properties. All looks good. I love that you just went for it. Bela is just like, yeah, fucking keep it. Let them kill themselves. Who cares? What I'll do is I'll make a save, or a quick save, and then we'll see how it goes. I should have done that the first time, but I'm a piece of poop, so I didn't. Okay. Player dot add. Oh, don't remember the thing. Help. Benita 4. Player dot add item 70017001763 1. Nope, it's not that. What is it? 7001763 700. Oh, I only put 10. Oops. There we go. Player dot add item 1F27620. Not that it matters. Okay. All right.
Hey there.
Want to buy a slave? Blah, blah, blah. Yes, I do. I bought Benita. Wonderful. Okay, so what should happen is it should... Let's actually quick save real quick. So I'm going to quick save. And then I need to stand away from this bitch. You're going to kill me. All right. So it should only happen once. It's such a violent explosion. I'm watching the instant replay in my stream. Oh my god. Hey, Balin, if you're still there, is the height offset that big of a deal, or is it one of those minor details that's not that important? Because I could probably figure out how to fix it, but I'm not, like, totally sure how to fix it. Maybe? Don't know. Not totally sure. I'll look into it. I'll try to fix it. I'm not gonna make it a priority, but I will try to fix it. Hopefully I can do it again. But can we do it again? What's quick load? F4? What is quick load? How do you quick load? I'm just doing it again, just because I want to. Alright. Wait. You stay there. You guys stay right there. This is how you you can weaponize your slaves, guys. Oh my god, I've just created suicide bombers. Oh, I made him essential, but oh. And if I do it again, it doesn't happen. Look at him. He's like, oh my god, I just got suicide bombed. I'm sorry. Oh wow, this is terrible. I'm gonna get somebody at YouTube is gonna see this and be like, yeah, this needs to not happen. I'm quick loading again. Come on. That was funny. That was funny. You know what? Take me with you. Okay. All right, one more time. Close up. One more time. Oh. 1/4 speed. Super slow-mo. Hope y'all are ready. 'Cause I am. Balin, why'd you make me do this? One more time. Let's go. Let's push the limits here. I'm still in 1/4 speed mode. All right. Let's just 1/10 speed. I am currently attempting to move. Okay, here we go. The guy behind her. Where'd she go? On that note, don't think about it. Don't think about it too much, guys. Don't think about it. Actually, all right, we're gonna do one more thing, and then I'm gonna end the stream. One more thing. more thing. Oh, I wonder if that is better. Yeah, probably not. Gore head explosion red. Gore, no, don't want that. Oh, that's the Institute nuke. Guys. Yes. Oh, man. Don't worry, Balin. I'm not going to leave it like that. Do it. Just... I think I should just still have my quick save too. That's the good news. I do. I need to turn. There we go. I don't even. Alright, chat. I hope you're ready. Lady, it's been nice knowing you. I don't want to do it. I'm scared it's going to crash my computer. Whatever. It's so big. It just... I'm inside the mushroom cloud. That's what's happening, guys. This is what it looks like when you're inside the... Oh, man. Alright, that's not a good one to end on. We gotta... Hang on. We gotta... Hold on. Gotta get it going. Those big ones, it's gonna put you inside the explode. No, I'm not gonna TFC out. It doesn't exist. The cell doesn't exist. Ooh, Liberty Prime nuke. That could be good. Ooh, Minuteman Artillery? Alright, Minuteman Artillery or Liberty Prime nuke? Minuteman Artillery, Liberty Prime nuke. Someone pick. The Fat Man explosion? That's good, but come on. We can think bigger. We can think grander. Minuteman Artillery, Fat Man explosion, or Liberty Prime nuke. Those are your options. This is the last one we'll do, and then I gotta go. It's done. It's been voted. It's been decided. And it's staying in the game. I'm pushing it. It's going in Miami. I'm just kidding. Can you imagine we just don't tell Balin? I just leave it like that, and he's just like, what the fuck? Oh, I'm sorry, Kanari. Cooler beat you. I'm fine with that. Oh wait, no, what am I doing? I have a save. Alright. Just want to get the full effect here. We'll go 1 at full speed, 1 at quarter speed. This should be Liberty Prime nuke. All right, Liberty Prime nuke test in 3, 2, 1. Oh, man. I don't even need to dismember her head. I'll just spawn the explosion. And it's still radioactive. That's so perfect. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. If I don't kill her first and I just spawn the explosion, I won't even need... Actually, I do. I wonder if he can kill me. Am I still... Oh, I didn't even have it enabled that time. Wait, does it... Let's quick load. Does the Liberty... Let's see if the Liberty Prime thing will kill me. Let's find out. TGM... Disabled. Alright, God mode is off. Let's see if it'll kill me. Yep, okay. The answer's yes. Alright. Okay. SGTM 0.25. TGM. All right. All right, hold on. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining me today. It has been an absolute pleasure working on this with you guys. I hope you've had as much fun as I have. I know it wasn't that exciting towards the beginning, but I hope this end result is worth it. We achieved the goal of the stream, and admittedly less time than I thought it was going to be. Definitely thought it was going to take longer to make this gun work, but it was pretty easy. So maybe next stream, I don't know, we'll get a little bit more complex. We'll start doing some fancier stuff. Maybe we'll polish some of this. We'll work on the actual purchasing system and blah blah blah, and we'll get a little bit more fleshed out with the save system. But for now, we have our detonator, so let's just celebrate to that. So thank you all so much for watching and joining me today. Shout out to the Miami guys who are here hanging out. Really appreciate it. Check out the Follow Miami team on the Follow Miami page on YouTube. Hope you guys enjoyed. Peace. Let's just raining body parts. Flaming hunks of flesh. All right.